Alright guys, it's Big Max S230 here, and I'm back with another video. It's been a highly requested one. This is a whole house vacuuming with the Dirt Devil and Dirt Express Compact. It's got clean path technology, cleans everything in one path. It is dusty. This is not a good filtration vacuum. Filter has some dust on it. Like I said, it's not the best. Pull down. Here's your sponge. You'll see there's dirt on it. So there's the motor in there. There's dirt in where the housing is. I need to open it up and get that dirt out. If not, it'll give me motor damage. And I have a 20-foot extension cord attached to this thing. And let's get vacuuming. Here, I'm going to change hands here. How is this going to work? I have a selfie stick coming in the mail, so should make this a bit easier. That's a bit awkward. Put your foot here. Power's right there. Push it, turn it on. I haven't vacuumed in 2 days, so it's interesting to see how much I can get out. Then I'm going to go back over with my cordless vacuum, see what this guy left. It's a Fruit Loop. I'm using my turbo brush to go on vacuum the cap post. It's got a lot of dirt on it. I'll leave a link in the description of where you can purchase this vacuum. But if you have allergy sufferers, I do not recommend this vacuum because its filtration is horrible. Well, I don't have the money for a new vacuum, so can't really help today. There goes my cat. This might have multiple parts to it, just because my phone only lets me record right around 20 minutes. It takes me about an hour to vacuum this apartment. I don't live in a house, I live in an apartment. gonna move the cord. The only bad part about I don't like about these Dirt Devils is the grease that they use in the bearings is bottom line cheap. So I had to go through and I had to re-grease them by themselves. Only after a couple days of having the bearings started making noise. That's the downside. Yeah, I have a selfie stick coming in the mail. It should arrive here within 7-14 days. I know the vacuum comes in the mail. Now a hand vac. Not gonna say the brand. You guys will find out. I have a selfie stick coming. 2 new vacuums. And what else? I think that's it. I'll pick that up. I don't understand why the cord shows short on this vacuum. It's only like 5 feet, which is not all that long. That's why I have to run an extension cord. The cord maybe reaches half my living room, and that's it. Way. Yeah, airflow. Got great suction, just horrible filtration. This is also a budget vacuum. I use it a lot, as you can tell. It's dirty. Works really well, though. Star. And I've got 7 of this little brat. Watch out. Move. This is what I really like today. So we can see what's the tape. I don't like the carpet they used on it. The hair like this. Do I got something that'd work with it? Not that bag. It's where I keep all my attachments at. Not this bag. No, I open it up. For shits and giggles, I'm gonna try this brush. Working. Okay. That has got a lot of stuff in it. You can probably hear. To remove this. Oh, it's done. All that hair. Very awkward. Well, I got a selfie stick coming now. Okay. That's so sad. Let's see how much. That's quite a bit. Let's look how much we got. Oh, a lot of hair. Kitty litter. Dust. There, oh, there's some wood. Right there. Filter, and it's alright. I don't personally like this type of design with the filter in the bin, because, well, it doesn't, like, it's alright. It's not the best design. It's whatever, really. It's not my company. I don't make the decision of how it's made. Personally, if it's me, I would have an actual cyclone system on this vacuum. And I wouldn't charge $50 for it. I'd maybe charge 20 to 30. Okay, let's pick this mess up. Basically everything up in one pass. Okay, let's just spill this. I'm gonna re-vacuum this room with the Hoover Fusion cordless. Sorry, my room's a mess. Need to clean this vacuum. Batteries on the charger. That'll be a separate video. And wait a second. Wait for my other phone to turn on. Okay, if you're on a cell phone or any type of cellular device, you're gonna want to find YouTube. Right there, YouTube. It's loading. Phone's almost dead. It's only at 10%. It doesn't want to focus. Okay, when you're in YouTube, you come up here to the search bar. Wait for your keyboard to come up. You type in my, then which is Big Mess Test 230. Right there. Click on my name. On my username. There's a little button that's right there. It shows subscribe. You click that. Load. Well, anyways, go to my username, BigMassTest230. Click on it. Press the subscribe button. Press the subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell so you never miss a new video. That's gonna do it for today's video. Bye bye.